how I made over $6,343 in 6 days with Clickbank affiliate marketing, right? So in this video, I'm going to show exactly how this works using TikTok affiliate marketing, right? I'm also personally using not only TikTok, but also Google pay-per-click ads and Meta Facebook ads, okay? So it doesn't really matter what platform you're using. What matters is to understand your audience on a deeper level. Let's go straight into it. As you can see over here, right? So we had $6,300 and over here $7,800, and all this is promoting manifestation products in self-help category or niche on Clickbank. Okay, you can see this works really well. Now here we were running ads. Now let's go straight into it so you can see on my TikTok. You can see in the last 7 days, if I go over here, okay, we had 11,000 likes, 300 comments. I did not run any ads, so it's organic, free traffic. I run ads for first 7 days, and then I allow the system to do the work for me, basically done for me. Algorithm on TikTok works really well once you know what you're doing. So my personal strategy that I teach my clients and students is run ads for the first 7 days, maybe $10 to $20 per day, and the next week you can shut it off. Zero ads, zero money out of your pocket, and you're still making sales. You're still making profit, right? You can see last 7 days. Let's say last 28 days. Again, you can see 44,000 likes, and over here, if I go, almost 500,000 video views, which is really great. Now you don't need to have this many video views or clicks. What matters is to have the buyer's intent, the buyers who are clicking on your landing page, on your website and ads. You don't need curiosity clickers. Most gurus in courses on Clickbank are teaching you to have high click-through rate. It doesn't really matter. It's bullshit. What matters is to have the right attention. Okay? What do I mean by that? For example, if you have, let's say, the person who is vegan and you're running the ads for beef steak, right? They will not buy the product because they are vegan. Even you offer them $1 million. Okay, so you have to have the right message to the market match. Once you have that, everything else is super easy and simple. Okay, now if you see over here, right, when we are running ads, we are not running ads. Basically, we're running ads for 7 days. It's all about the attention. Once you have that, you can spend $10 or $25 per day on TikTok ads or Google pay-per-click ads or even Facebook ads. But mindset and psychology applied to the ads is different. Males and females' language patterns are different. They are not equal. So maybe you run ads in the past and you lost money on Clickbank and now you think, oh my God, it's scam, it doesn't work out. I understand how it feels. It's not your fault. Because all you have to do in 2025 is have someone who can show you one-on-one, step-by-step, by hand-holding you over the Zoom call, for example, exactly how to set up the ad campaign so you can start and do it in 20 to 30 minutes per day. Yeah, you can do this without showing your face in 20 to 30 minutes per day, promoting different products. In my case, as I showed you before, it's about manifestation, self-help niche, personal development niche. It's huge space. We call them personal development junkies. You're making recurring commissions with products that have a high enough upsell take rate, meaning you can make up to $300 or even more dollars for one sale from one customer only. You see the math, right, behind the economics of affiliate marketing in 2025. Now, if you want to know exactly how to put this into action, you can connect with me on my Instagram over here, right? You can connect with me on my Instagram one-on-one, but only if you're serious, right? If you're really serious, if you have some money to invest in yourself and also a little bit of time, maybe 20 to 30 minutes per day and every other day to get this up and running in the first 7 days. Okay, it doesn't take months. It doesn't have to take weeks to get this up and running. Once you have someone who can help you get done for you website, affiliate funnel in the box, and have exact system that you allow you to make between, I don't know, $300 a day, $500 a day, or even more as a beginner. Okay, without any IT experience or how to set it up yourself. It's all done together with you and for you. So you don't have to do any guesswork at all. You can get started 15 minutes, 30 minutes from now and have your website up and running in 72 hours from now, done for you. Okay, but only if you're serious. If you want to make more money online, maybe $1,000 a week, maybe $3,000 a week, up to you. Okay, I can show you what to do and how much you make is entirely up to you. So if you are serious and want to get results, there's my WhatsApp number, my email, my Facebook Messenger, and also my Instagram, as you can see over here. You can connect with me one-on-one if you have any kind of questions, if you want to get results, and if you're serious in 2025 to finally, once for all, get it up and running. Okay, let me know, let's connect, and let's make something happen.